It's time for Therabox. It's time for a little bit of self-care and a little bit of Therabox. Are you guys ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving Mamacita. So excited to have you here with me today. If you are brand new, I welcome you. For those of you who are not new, you know this is the home of Rate That Box and unboxings, product reviews, monthly subscription boxes, quarterly season boxes. Frick, we do them all, okay? We do all of the boxes, you guys. I love subscription boxes, and this one is one of my favorite self-care boxes out there today. This is called Therabox. Just a little bit of background about Therabox. It's a monthly subscription box. You pay around $30.99-ish per month for your very own self-care box of Therabox. You're going to get between 6 and 8 full-size products in your box. And it could be anything from relaxation items, journals, beauty products, all of those things. They are selected by actual therapists, like real life therapists help create this box. So how freaking cool is that? Every Therabox has a theme. So I am super excited to see what the theme of this month is for Therabox. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and do it. So opening it up. Ooh, looky, looky, looky. This month's theme is slumber. If you guys know me and you've watched my unboxings, you know for me, a good subscription box includes a good description. And what I mean by that is whether you have a postcard, whether you have a booklet, you gotta make sure you explain what you got in the box. And Therabox does an excellent job of that. This particular box theme is called Slumber. They have a little hello message for you. They talk about how you can get freebies and bonuses in your future boxes or how you can win a free Therabox. Also through it, you can see that they have all of the products listed, a very detailed description of each one, along with their values, where you can find those particular products, and very cool is a actual code that you can use for future purchases for that particular product. So super, super thorough with their descriptions. Underneath all of the confetti are the products, and we will go through each product one by one, and then we will go ahead and do a review and our thing, which is our very own thing called Rate That Box. So here we go. Look at this. Look at all these items, you guys. That is one thing that really impresses me about Therabox is the amount of the items in the box. Like, they don't play when they pack their boxes. They actually put a good amount of products in their boxes. So looking at each item here, let's start with this one. This one is a can of Moment. Let me have a moment. I love that idea. Okay, so this is called Moment. This is Drink Your Meditation. Hibiscus Dragonfruit Botanical Water, 0 caffeine, 0 added sugar. I have never heard of this before, you guys. $5. It's called Moment. We're more stressed than ever, but the supposed self-care solutions are expensive, time-consuming, and in turn stressful. This is your new self-care in a bottle. Let's go ahead and try this. I'm really curious. There's only 15 calories per serving. Contains 4% juice. Sugars is less than 1 gram. Ooh. Wow. That packs a punch. Well, that is a definite pow in your face type drink. Like, wow. Here we go with Grace and Stella. I've seen this brand many times before, and they've actually had this brand in their previous boxes. Grace and Stella, this is a cool gel bead eye mask. You can use it hot or cold. $18 value on this. It says it's the ultimate slumber party for your eyes. Oh yeah, look at this, you guys. It has like the little cooling beads in there. Oh wow. Let's put this on. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, the next item we have, you guys, is called Essence Self Care. This is Essential Oil Nasal Diffuser. So this is a $21.99 value on that. It says, this month we're experiencing aromatherapy in a new way. Control what you smell with 5 different scents that can help jumpstart your morning, keep you focused on your day, or help you unwind at night. There are 5 in here. Definitely sticking with the nasal, frick. Definitely sticking with the slumber theme for sure. So this is Essential Oil Infused Wearable Diffuser. Let's take a look. I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like because I'm curious. I've never heard of this before. Place it back in the package and you can add 2 drops of essential oils if you want to reuse it. So it's not just a use and throw type item. You can actually reuse it. Oh my goodness. So it's like a little nose ring. It's like this. Oh my gosh. This one has like a citrus. Wow. Wow. What the heck? This is, oh. Woo. Okay, that is definitely interesting. Have you guys seen those before? Woo. I can see where that would give you a little bit of a burst of energy, like for real. Next item we have is Batch Dream. This is 1,000 mgs of CBD, full spectrum tincture. Mind racing at night, trouble staying in bed all night? We hear ya. A magical elixir that won't get you high, but it'll calm and relax your senses.
Really?
Let's open this up. This is interesting. So this has a value of $74.99. Let me tell you, the CBD stuff, it ain't cheap. I'm not a big fan of that smell, I'll tell you that. Have you guys ever tried anything like this before? Next thing we have is called a Natural Mint and Eucalyptus Night Cream. I can see where that would be related to a nighttime situation. Professor Herb, it's called. I kind of figured with this slumber type theme, you're gonna be having a lot of the lavenders and a lot of the eucalyptus type smells and scents. So this is an essential night cream. This actually smells really good. Yeah, I like that. It's just like a cream in there. It has a value of $25.87. It helps boost collagen, hydrate your skin, and even your complexion in your sleep. It helps to promote elasticity, renew cells, and nourish your skin in the easiest possible way overnight. This is something that I definitely want to try. This one is called the VO Multivitamin Sleeping Mask, made with multivitamins, multi-molecular hyaluronic acid, that is a mouthful, and jelly capsules. Look at that, that is so cute. I love the packaging of that, and look at those little cute little jelly things in there. That is adorable. Vitamasques. This has a value of $25. So between drinking too much caffeine in the afternoon, that's me, and working to hit strict deadlines, that's me, getting a full night of shut-eye isn't always possible. So this is an instant overnight glow mask. It helps recharge your skin while you sleep so your skin feels energized and refreshed, just like you had an 8-hour slumber. So it is a non-wash off mask. It uses the jelly capsules that absorb shortly after application, and it supports your skin with a much needed vitamin boost. It says use 2 to 3 times a week. Apply a thin layer onto your clean, dry skin in the evening, leave on overnight, and cleanse as normal the next morning. So it says confidently channel your inner Beyonce and tell everyone, I woke up like this. Let's take a smell. Smells interesting. Okay, so it has just like a gel. Oh, it's kind of like a runnier gel. Smells really good. Really good. I want to try that. Next, we have a full moon bath bomb set. Here we go. Gotta love the bath bombs, you guys. This has a value of $9.99. Can inner body peace be found after soaking in a warm bath? Duh. Basically, just drop the bath bomb in, watch it bubble and dissipate into the water. It looks like it kind of broke up a little bit in transit. So we've got one that isn't quite completely. Ooh, that smells good. It smells really good. Finally, we have a sleep and evening routine sidekick journal. Have the best evenings and sleep of your life. It talks about having a good nighttime routine, why it's important, why sleep is important, what happens when your body is deprived of sleep, different ways on how you can build new habits and things like that. Definitely a very, very awesome idea for a self-care box. So that concludes the unboxing of this month's Slumber Therabox, you guys. Let's go ahead and do a quick review, and then we are going to do our thing with Rate That Box. So this particular box, you guys, it has a value of $200. That's right. So $30 on average per month for Therabox, with a value of over $200 for this one. We've got the Sidekick Sleep Journal, the CBD Batch Tincture, the Vitamasques Sleeping Mask. We've got the Essence Self-Care Nose Rings, Natural Mint and Eucalyptus Essential Night Cream, the Full Moon Bath Bombs, Grace and Stella Sleep Mask, the drink, the Moment drink. So all of those items, you guys, in the box for roughly $31. Let's go ahead, you guys, and do our thing with Rate That Box. Are you ready? Come on, do it with me. Do it with me. Let's rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. When we rate the box, we rate based on a variety of factors, including, but not limited to, the presentation of the box, the overall unboxing experience, the variety of the items, the price point of the items. All of those things contribute to the overall score for the box. And we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10, you guys. 1 being, don't go there, or 10, yes, queen, you need to freaking buy this box. Let me just say, Therabox has never let me down. The variety of their items is always on point. They have something for everyone in this box. I love the theme of this box. Super awesome. All of these items are all items that I would never have purchased on my own, but I'm very excited to try them in a subscription box. So let's go ahead, you guys, and rate the box. Put your thinking caps on. Let me know what you would rate this box down in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead with my rating. Are you ready? Therabox Slumber themed box. You are going to get yourself a 7. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next